Hi, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 Lite, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's hold for a while our device screen, adjust to slide with our two fingers at the same time to the center, and then we'll see here widgets icon. Just click here once, and after that you can see all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calculator or just the weather or notes widgets. So let's use, for example, the calculator. Just hold the widget and just drag it here to the home screen. As you can see, we have now here enough space. So let's just create the new screen, and after that we can add here the bigger widget. For example, click here once, and now we can see here the calculator. If you want to move widget between the screens, you should hold it and just drag it, or just to create the new screens we should also hold and drag it. If you want to add just another one, the smaller, just by the same way, go to the widget here and let's add, for example, the calendar schedule. Just hold and drag the widget. If you want to resize it, you should hold it and make it bigger or smaller. Just to remove the widgets, we should hold it and just click here to remove icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.